Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Maryum working as consultant gynecologist at Maryum Memorial Hospital, Rawalpindi. I have attended 3 days course which was arranged by AECS and Saqib Fertility and IVF Center at Lahore. Firstly, I want to congratulate the team which was behind organizing such a wonderful course for Pakistani gynecologists, and I must appreciate all the efforts which have been put together for bringing such an informative and learning course for us. And it was a great experience, and this course was full of knowledge, and we have learned so many new things, and I'm so happy to be a part of this course. So firstly, it was great to meet Professor Lilo from Germany and Professor Karunkar from UK, and also I met Professor Saqib, and such great personalities were part of this course, and they have taught us many new things and hands-on techniques. Like I have learned the procedures like PISA, TISA, micro TZ, and directly under supervision of Professor Karunkar. And then we have already hands-on egg retrieval, ovum pickup under supervision of Professor Saqib, then the hysteroscopies, and it was a wonderful experience. I would recommend these courses for our upcoming gynecologists who are interested. And also I would like to request the organizers to please arrange such informative courses in future as well. Thank you so much.